Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a quick makeover. It is a mirror that I found at Goodwill. This was really dirty and it was in multiple colors: black, gray, light gray. It's really heavy, so it's a nice quality mirror. First, always cleaning it with crud cutter, spraying it on my microfiber there, and going over all of the surfaces, getting it really nice and clean. And then I even used it on the mirror itself, not just the frame. So the great thing about Crud Cutter is you spray it on a microfiber, use it, wipe it over your surfaces, and you don't have to rinse it at all. So here is that before picture. And here is the paint that I'm using on this one. First time using Rust-Oleum milk paint in Eclipse. So I was trying it with a couple different brushes. This first one I'm using is from Harbor Freight, and it's sort of like an angled shape brush. Um, it did okay to get in those grooves and crevices, but eventually I'm going to switch over to that Dixie Belle brush that's sitting right there, and it did a much better job getting in those little spaces, all the nooks and crannies. So I will say that this is the very first time that I am using milk paint. This is Rust-Oleum brand in the color Eclipse, and I do like it. It goes on very well. The consistency is nice, and the coverage is awesome. So I do like it. We'll be using milk paint again. I did buy this off of Amazon. It was on sale. So here I am using that other Dixie Belle brush to get into those grooves, and it's working very, very well. I think in total I did two coats with this milk paint. I let it dry and then I went back and put on another coat. Here I am with a very small detail brush going and the edges against the mirror and on that outside edge. I was thinking of taping off the mirror to prevent painting the mirror, but I didn't. I just went ahead and painted a little bit on the mirror, and at the end, I'm going to scrape it off. So here I am. It's dried. So that milk paint has dried. It's the next day, and I've got my gold gilding wax from Dixie Belle, taking a brush there and just going over the top. I'm not trying to get in those grooves. I'm just going over the top very quickly with that brush. It's a fast process, and I'm just going over that front face. So I'm not doing the inside edge or the outside edge. I want to leave that black. And after I get finished brushing it on, I take a paper towel and I buff it in, and I get that excess wax off. And it goes quickly here, finishing off all around on that border, and then I take that paper towel and buff it in. So there's the materials again that I used. Now here is the finished product. I've staged it in preparation for selling, and I think it turned out very beautifully. This is a very heavy mirror. It probably weighs at least 10, 12, 15 pounds, something around there. It's a very high quality mirror. It was at Goodwill and it was super cheap. I'm so glad that I picked it up, and I'm so glad that I tried a new paint, the milk paint with the gold gilding wax on top. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much. Please like and subscribe.